Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming drivers and required internal volume so the box will tune correctly. Measure and mark panels from 15-18 mm plywood and lay out the port or sealed design. This affects base response. Once done, cut panels with a table saw and label each edge so assembly is faster. Make sure to pre-drill screw holes and route driver and port openings now, because precise cuts reduce air leaks and standing waves later when you glue and brace the box. You now glue the panels together, applying even beads and clamping squarely to keep baffles aligned. This preserves driver geometry and sealing. Once cured, add internal braces to reduce panel resonance and apply damping material strategically to shape mid-range absorption. Then mount the crossover inside using short soldered leads to minimize inductance and secure all wiring with zip ties. Finally, fit driver gaskets and test fit drivers to confirm flush mounting and correct port position before final sealing. You finish by sealing every seam and smoothing edges before applying paint or veneer. This both protects and improves acoustic sealing. Once cosmetically complete, measure frequency response and impedance with a test mic to verify tuning. Make small changes to damping or crossover values if bass or peaks appear. If things go wrong, start simple. Confirm driver polarity and wiring, check for air leaks at seams, and verify port length. These checks solve most hums, cancellations, or boomy bass quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.